I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pudding jello. First, gather your ingredients. 1 3-ounce box of Jello, 1 4-ounce box of instant pudding, 2 cups of boiling water, and 2 cups of cold milk. Also, have a 9x 13-inch pan or individual dishes ready. This simple dessert is perfect for any occasion and comes together quickly with just a few steps. Next, let's prepare the Jello layer. Carefully pour 2 cups of boiling water over the Jello powder in a bowl. Stir continuously for at least 2 minutes, ensuring all the granules are fully dissolved. Once smooth, pour this mixture into your prepared pan or dishes. Place it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes, allowing it to become slightly firm but not completely set. Now it's time for the creamy pudding layer. In a separate bowl, combine the instant pudding mix with 2 cups of cold milk. Whisk vigorously for 2 minutes until the mixture thickens and becomes smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Carefully and gently pour this pudding mixture over the partially set Jello layer in your pan. This creates a beautiful, distinct 2-layer dessert. Finally, refrigerate your layered dessert for at least 4 hours, or until it is completely firm. For the best results in a perfectly set treat, consider chilling it overnight. This allows both layers to fully meld and firm up beautifully. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Once set, slice and serve this delightful pudding Jello. Enjoy your easy-to-make, refreshing dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.